In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free space in Zoho Mail, ensuring your inbox remains clutter-free and you have ample storage for future messages. We'll walk through a simple process that involves removing unnecessary emails from various folders. Let's get started. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to the Zoho Mail website. You'll want to log into your account if you aren't already. Once logged in, your default view should be your inbox, where all your emails reside. Now, let's dive into cleaning up some space. Begin by clicking on your inbox. Here, you'll see all your received emails. Look through these messages and identify any emails that you no longer need. Perhaps they're promotional emails, old notifications, or any correspondence that's no longer relevant. Once you've made your selection, click on those emails to highlight them and then hit the delete button. This action will move these emails to the trash folder, and though they're not completely erased from your storage just yet, they are out of your main view. Next, we're going to tackle the spam folder. Spam emails can build up quickly and occupy more space than you might realize. Click on the spam folder in your sidebar. Once in the folder, identify any emails you don't need. You'll generally recognize these as unsolicited or unwanted emails, and go ahead and delete them, just as you did with the emails in your inbox. Now let's move on to the trash folder. This is where all your deleted emails are temporarily stored. Click on the trash folder to view its contents. If you've never emptied your trash before, you may find quite a few emails in here. We want to permanently remove these emails to free up space. Look for an option or button labeled Empty Trash. Click on this button to clear all the emails in the trash folder. This action will permanently remove these emails, freeing up the space they occupied. After you click Empty Trash, a confirmation window will typically appear, asking if you are sure about permanently deleting these emails. This is the point of no return, so make sure you don't need any emails in your trash before you proceed. If you're sure, click OK in the confirmation dialog to carry out this final step. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've now successfully freed up space in your Zoho Mail account. It's a good practice to perform this routine regularly to maintain an organized and efficient mailbox. Remember, keeping email clutter to a minimum helps improve productivity and ensures you never miss out on receiving important incoming emails due to storage issues. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy emailing!